chapter is related to relations and functions. Okay, we are discussing about this. Okay, सबसे पहले क्या आता है? नेचुरल नंबर. Am I right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. And natural number is subset of what? Basically whole number.
Whole numbers.
Whole number is subset of integers, we can say.
So whole numbers.
Yes. And it is also subset of a rational number. Normal rational number we represent with Q. And irrational number normally we represent with R, and complex number we represent with C. This will become, okay, this is rational, this is irrational, this part is a complex number. Clear? Oh. क्या हो रहा है? आपको स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है ना, व्हाइट बोर्ड?
सर अभी स्क्रीन तो नहीं दिख रही.
अगर बीच में कट हुआ तो भी जस्ट यू क्लिक ऑन सेम लिंक, आपको आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट पढ़े थे आप. ऑपरेशंस ऑन द सेट्स इन द सेंस क्या होते हैं ऑपरेशंस ऑन द सेट्स?
सर यूनियन.
Yes, correct. Union, intersection, yes, minus a complement or cross भी होता है ना, a cross b, b cross a, something like that, cross product.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
हाँ.
Cross product.
Example A में some elements है आपको, let's take 1, 2, 3. B has some x comma y. What is a cross b here?
So it is 1 comma x.
Correct.
Then 1 comma y.
Correct.
2 comma x.
Yes.
2 comma y.
Correct.
3 comma x. 3 comma y.
3 comma x and 3 comma y. Yes, correct. इससे हम एक कंपेयर कर सकते हैं क्या? A क्रॉस B इज इट इक्वल टू B क्रॉस A? इज इट ट्रू?
No, because order pairs.
Order pairs different हो जाएंगे. That's why it is not correct. A क्रॉस B is not at all equal to B क्रॉस A. Correct? Next, number of subsets in A cross B.
A number of elements in A into number of elements in B.
Basically, how many subsets you will have in A cross B?
Subsets are 2 power.
Correct. 2 power
6.
2 power 6. Correct. Basically, yes. Okay. 2 power number of elements in A into number of elements in B. We can say this, right? Yes. Example, set A has m elements, set B has n elements. Then number of subsets formula is 2 power mn. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Then basically power set is also a set of all the subsets. आपको 11th पे आया था ना?
Yes, yes.
Okay. There. अभी number of subsets is nothing but the number of relations. Example, set A has m elements, set B has n elements. The number of relations is same as number of subsets. एक subset एक relation बनेगा. So formula is 2 power mn. Clear?
Okay.
Next example, आपको domain and codomain and image के बारे में knowledge है, right? What is a domain? Yes. And what is a codomain?
Domain is the set वाले. And then range the second set जिस पे relation होता है. And Codomain is a subset of range.
Subset of range. No, range is a subset of codomain.
Range is a subset of codomain.
Range is a subset of codomain. Okay. नेक्स्ट मेन चैप्टर पे आ जाते हैं अभी यहाँ पे रिलेशंस. हमको रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांसिटिव 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशंस है. फर्स्ट वन इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, सेकंड वन इज सिमेट्रिक, थर्ड वन इज ट्रांसिटिव. ओके, रिफ्लेक्सिव इन द सेंस आपको सेम एलिमेंट्स रहना चाहिए. लाइक ए कामा ए बिलोंग्स टू आपके इसमें सेट में रहना चाहिए. लाइक सेम एलिमेंट, लाइक 1 कामा 1, 2 कामा 2, 3 कामा 3, ऐसे सेम एलिमेंट्स आपको सेट में रहना चाहिए. सिमेट्रिक मीन्स ए आपको एक क्वेश्चन किया तो समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू डेफिनेशंस. ओके ओके, सिमेट्रिक, इफ ए कामा बी बिलोंग्स टू a set, then b comma a also belongs to r. रिवर्स भी रहना चाहिए वो रिलेशन में. लाइक 1 कामा 2 रिलेशन में है तो 2 कामा 1 भी रहना चाहिए. 2 कामा 3 है तो 3 कामा 2 भी रहना चाहिए. लाइक दैट. ओके. ट्रांसिटिव मीन्स इफ a comma b belongs to r and b comma c also belongs to r, then a comma c belongs to r. This is a transitive. ओके, ये ट्रांसिटिव के बारे में समझ में आया. लाइक लेट्स टेक 1 कामा 2, यहाँ पे 2 कामा 3. अगर ये 2 है तो थर्ड वाला a कामा c भी रहना चाहिए.
1,3.
यस, 1 कामा 3 भी रहना चाहिए. ओके, आपको एक सिंपल एक ए देके मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. ओके, लेट्स टेक दिस क्वेश्चन. Set A has 1, 2, 3 elements. Okay, and there is a relation. Let's take 1 comma 1. You take 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, and 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3. Okay, close it. Okay, is it reflexive first?
Yes.
Yes, because same elements. Okay, मैं साइड हेडिंग रखता हूँ. रिफ्लेक्सिव है या नहीं चेक करने के लिए. रिफ्लेक्सिव बेसिकली सेम एलिमेंट्स रहना चाहिए रिफ्लेक्सिव के लिए. करेक्ट. लाइक सेम एलिमेंट मीन्स 1 comma 1 belongs to relation, 2 comma 2 also belongs to in relation, 3 comma 3 belongs to same elements belongs to relation. That's why it is a reflexive. Correct.
Sir, if in the relation it's only 1, 1 and 2, 2.
No, all
Then
the
also
elements present in set A. Okay, all the elements present in set A, then only it is a reflexive. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now after reflexive, symmetric. Symmetric क्या होता है?
Symmetric 1, 2 तो 2, 1.
Yes. यहाँ पे अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं दिखना है. वेट. हाँ, नाउ यहाँ पे सिमेट्रिक. सिमेट्रिक मीन्स 1 कामा 2 तो है. करेक्ट. बट 2 कामा 1 है क्या इसमें?
नहीं.
यस, बेसिकली 2 कामा 1 डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू R, देयरफॉर नॉट सिमेट्रिक. क्लियर? मतलब रिवर्स एक कोई एक एलिमेंट, एग्जांपल 2 कामा 3 इज आल्सो देयर, 3 कामा 2 इज नॉट देयर, 1 कामा 3 is there, but 3 comma 1 is not there. अगर कोई भी false हो तो you write the false condition यहाँ पे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ट्रांसिटिव. ट्रांसिटिव means
है.
yes है, because 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 3 is there, and 1 comma 3 is also there. Basically 1 2 belongs to R and 2 3 belongs to R. 1 comma 3 also belongs to R, therefore it is a transitive. Reflexive है, सिमेट्रिक नहीं है, ट्रांसिटिव है. गॉट इट. ओके, मैं और एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, आप आंसर करना है इसको. आई विल राइट द क्वेश्चन. Okay. Second question. Set is same. A is 1, 2, 3. And a relation is 1, 1, 2, 2. And 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. You answer this. A reflexive है. Symmetric, transitive.
Reflexive नहीं है because 3, 3 is not in the
Yes,
relation.
3, 3 does not belongs to
Does not
R,
belong.
therefore not reflexive. Correct.
Yes.
Symmetric.
Symmetric भी नहीं है because 1, 2 is in R, but 2, 1 is not in R.
Yes, but 2, 1 does not belongs
Does
to
not
R.
belong.
It is not symmetric. Then transitive.
Yes. Transitive भी नहीं है because 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 3 belongs to R, but 1, 3 does not belong to R.
Yes, but 1, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not transitive.
Not
So, basically, तीनों भी नहीं है. Correct?
कोई नहीं है. Yes.
Reflexive नहीं है, symmetric नहीं है, transitive भी नहीं है. Correct? Okay, next. Okay, let's take two triangles now. Okay. Next question. यहाँ पे let's take there is a relation. The ordered pair is T1, T2. Like दो triangles का order pair है. Like first triangle, second triangle. Condition is
Okay.
T1 congruent to T2. Now you have to tell whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Okay, first if you write T1, T1, what does it mean?
T1. Then that's like T1 and T1 are congruent.
Is it true?
So they are.
Yes.
Yes.
Then it is a reflexive. Next,
Reflexive.
symmetric के बारे में. Let's imagine T1,
Symmetric
T2 belongs to R. What does it mean? T1 is
Then
congruent
T2,
to
T1.
yes.
Yes.
T2, T1 भी रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा?
रहेगा because it's same thing.
Same thing. Same thing is congruent to same thing. Then it is a symmetric. What about transitive?
Transitive. But 3 elements तो है ही नहीं.
Okay, if you don't have 3 elements, let's take this condition. If T1, T2 belongs to R, what does it mean? T1
That's
is
congruent to T2.
yes. You take 2 elements. Sorry, not then. You take another one. Comma T2, T3 belongs to R. What does it mean?
So T2 is congruent to T3.
Yes. If these two conditions are true, then आपको A condition A satisfy होगा? Because T1 is always congruent to T3. समझ में आया आपको?
Yes.
Basically आपको third element नहीं है तो भी you take 2 conditions like transitive के लिए T1, T2 and T2, T3. Then only go for T1, T3.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next one. Okay. और एक relation लेना. This is a question. Let's take a relation. Condition is okay. Let's take one ordered pair A, B. The condition is A is brother of B. Okay. Is it reflexive? Is it symmetric? Is it transitive? Okay. Reflexive है या नहीं? Reflexive means you take the same elements. Let's take A, belongs to R. It true होगा. What does it mean? A is brother of A.
That same. Which is
A हो
not
सकता है. A is brother of A.
नहीं.
So it is not a reflexive, correct? Then symmetric.
Okay.
What is
Symmetric
you take? हाँ. A, B belongs to R. That implies B comma A also belongs to R. Correct?
Yes.
Is it true?
Yes.
और एक बार सोचना,
Yes.
और एक बार
Yes.
सोच समझ के बताना इसका.
It's true only.
Okay, imagine you are having a brother. Okay, you are having a
Yes.
brother B. So A comma B means
तो अच्छा sister हो जाएगा.
sister भी हो सकता है. That's why it is wrong.
Okay.
Okay, gender point of
हाँ.
view में भी देखना है. Okay,
Okay.
next,
Transitive.
transitive. Okay,
So A is brother of B.
A is brother of B. Then you take another element. B is brother of C. Then do you think A is brother of C?
A is brother of B.
सोच समझ के देना आंसर इसका.
हाँ, we can say A is brother of
A
C.
is brother of C. Then it is a transitive. Okay,
Transitive. Okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आए तो जेंडर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में देखना है आपको. ठीक है.
ध्यान रखें.
ओके, नेक्स्ट और एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ. Next question. There is a relation A comma B. Condition is A divided by B. A is perfectly divisible by B. That is a condition.
Okay.
A is perfectly divisible by B. Now you answer.
B. So, okay.
Okay, reflexive first of all.
So it is reflexive because A divided by A will be always.
That means
A is
A
always
comma A
divisible.
belongs to R. That's why it is a reflexive because A is perfectly divisible by A. Yeah. What about symmetric?
Symmetric. So that A is divisible by B.
Is it symmetric?
Wait a second. No.
Because you take 4 comma 2. That means यहाँ पे 4 is divisible by 2. Correct?
Yes.
But if you take 2 comma 4, यहाँ पे क्या है? 4 comma 2 means 4 is divisible by 2. Correct? If you take 2 comma 4, यहाँ पे 2
it is
not divisible by 4. Correct?
4. Yes.
Not divisible by 4.
Transitive.
So not okay. Transitive है या नहीं?
Transitive.
Okay. Transitive के लिए let's take A comma B belongs to R and B comma C also belongs to R. Okay. You take these two conditions. Let's take some example. ऐसे टाइम में कोई कंफ्यूज हो रहा है तो let's take 16 comma 4 belongs to R. 16 is divisible by 4 perfectly. Then 4 comma 2 लेना. 4 is also then 16 with 2 होगा? Yes. Then A comma C also belongs to R. Correct? Then it is a transitive.
Yes. Transitive.
Okay.
So if you have to prove, then we have to example.
नहीं, false prove करने के लिए example देना है. True prove करने के लिए A वाला. Like false prove करना है तो भी आपको A दे सकते हैं. A comma B belongs to R. That means A is divisible by B. But B is not divisible by A. You have to write it in sentence.
Okay.
अगर A आपको A कौन सी फॉर्म में? Basically relations can be represented in 2 forms. Correct? एक तो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म होता है, एक तो रोस्टर फॉर्म होता है. करेक्ट?
yes.
रोस्टर फॉर्म क्या होता है? लाइक बेसिकली एलिमेंट्स देते हैं
उसके
आपको, लाइक 1 2 3,
हाँ,
लाइक ऐसे कुछ देते हैं, राइट?
और हाँ सेट बिल्डर में लिखना होता है।
लिखना होता है। बेसिकली दिस इज सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म ओनली। ए इज डिविजिबल बाय बी, राइट? इट इज अ सेट बिल्डर
ओके,
फॉर्म, करेक्ट?
लिटिल,
तो सेट बिल्डर
yes,
फॉर्म में देते हैं, तो ट्राई टू राइट इट इन अ सेंटेंस लाइक a comma a also belongs to r, that means a is divisible by a, which is true.
okay,
A comma b
okay,
belongs to r means a is divisible by b. B comma a belongs to
hmm,
r means b is not divisible by a, that's why it is false.
okay,
सेंटेंस में लिखना है बस। अगर फॉल्स प्रूव करना है तो
okay,
काउंटर एग्जाम्पल भी दे सकते हो आप, दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन।
okay,
ओके
okay, sir.
ओके, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट डोमेन रेंज डिस्कस करेंगे डायरेक्टली। फंक्शन, ओके, फंक्शंस पे जाएंगे। डोमेन रेंज आई थिंक ऑलरेडी यू नो इट, राइट?
Yes,
ओके, मैं तो एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ सिंपल सा। ए इज 1357, बी इज 2468, there is a relation, let's take 3 comma 2, 5 comma 4, 7 to 7 4. We take another element 7 6. Okay, now what is the domain here?
domain is 3, 5,
Hmm,
7.
that's it.
That's it.
Repeated elements we don't write.
Yes.
Range.
Whatever. Range is 2,
Hmm,
4,
hmm.
2, okay, 2, 4, and 1.
Okay, imagine this is 6, not 1.
6. So 2, 4, 6.
Yes. What is codomain?
Codomain is 2, 4, 6.
2 4 6 8. Okay. Now, so how do you define domain then? How do you define
Domain
domain?
is domain is the set of all the
Set of all the,
mm, first one.
basically collection of all elements in A,
Okay.
which has a image of B.
Yes.
Image भी रहना चाहिए, otherwise it is not a domain.
Hmm.
Correct?
Hmm. Yes.
Basically 1357, all elements is not domain. Only the x coordinate in a relation, जिसके पास image है,
Yes.
only that is a domain. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Next, what is the definition of range then?
Range is a collection of all elements
Yes, collection of,
in B,
hmm,
which are images,
pre-image,
of
pre-image,
A.
collection of all B, which has pre-image in A. Okay.
A.
Next, domain and codomain is the range. Codomain is basically whole set B.
Or set B. Yes.
Okay. Domain का definition पता है ना? Basically x coordinate in a relation.
Yes.
Codomain is all whole set B.
All the.
Correct? All the
Yes.
elements in B. What is the range?
Range is the B which has pre-image A.
Yes. जिसके पास pre image होता है. Next. Okay. Next types of functions. Wait. एक बार NCERT open कर. Okay. What is the difference between relation and function? Or difference between relation and functions.
Relation, function.
रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन में डिफरेंस क्या होता है? व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व? relation and function. Example, let's take 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4.
Oh, okay. So in function, every element of set A has only one unique image in set B.
That's it, correct. Every element of,
Set.
yes, every element of A must have
Unique
one and only one
image.
image, correct?
One and only image. Yes.
One and only one image in B. Okay, मैं कुछ example देता हूँ, आप आंसर करना है इसका. Let's take A and this part is B. You have 1, 2, 3. 1 is mapping to A. 2 is mapping to B. Okay, is it a function?
No.
Because 3 is not mapping to anybody, right? That's why it is not a function. Not function. Okay, next, another example. You take this set A and set B. Same 1, 2, 3, you are taking A, B, but mapping this time you do it differently. 1 is mapping to A, and 2 is mapping to B, and 3 is also mapping to B. Is it a function?
Yes.
Yes, a function, right?
Yes.
Let's take another one. One, two, three, 4. A, B, C, D, E. You take. Otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E. No. 1 is mapping to A, and 2 is mapping to D or C, anything. 3 is mapping to someone, 4 is mapping to someone. Is it a function?
Yes.
Yes, it is a function.
Because every has.
R elements in set A has to map. That is a simple thing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Directly हम one types of function आपने कुछ पढ़ा है 11th में?
नहीं, इसमें तो नहीं पता.
One function, many one, on to.
नहीं.
नहीं, right? Okay. We can discuss it. I think first exercise आपको, this is not about one and not two. First exercise.
First
Okay.
function is, I think, relations.
Okay, relation. Okay, we'll do the first exercise then. Okay. Okay. 1.1, question number 1.
Okay.
First question. Okay, basically reflexive, symmetric, transitive के बारे में explain करना है. Let's take, there is a relation I'm writing. Okay, what is the relation? You have x comma y.
3x.
Yes, 3x
minus y is 0.
Yes, 3x minus y is equal to 0. And what is the set they have given?
1 to 14.
1 to 14. Basically, our natural number still 14. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You have to prove whether it is a reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Reflexive के लिए. Okay. एक question हम अच्छे से करेंगे. Like how do you write it in exam? Then remaining we can discuss it. हाँ. Reflexive के लिए सबसे पहले x comma x belongs to R. Is it true?
No.
Because एक counter example देना. Like,
So if
okay,
it's like
do you want first to write this is which form? R is in set
set
builder form.
builder.
Can you write it in roster form? Try to write it.
Roster form.
हाँ,
Okay.
let's
So
take
it will be 1,3,
yes 1,3,
2,6,
2,6,
3,9,
3,9,
4,12.
4,12. Yes, clearly. Okay, now this is your relation in normal form. Is it reflexive?
No.
तो एक एग्जांपल देना है. फॉल्स प्रूव करने के लिए काउंटर एग्जांपल देना. विच एलिमेंट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट?
1,1.
Yes, basically 1,1 does not be, basically 1,1, 2,2, 3,3, nothing is there, right? Does not belongs to
No.
R, correct? Till 14,14. Am I right? कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है
Yes.
इसमें. That's why it is not
Not
reflexive.
reflective.
Therefore R is not reflexive. Let's talk about symmetric. एक काउंटर एग्जांपल देना है सिमेट्रिक के लिए. इफ इट इज फॉल्स,
So we can say कि 1,3 belongs to R,
करेक्ट?
but 3,1 does not belong
यस,
to R.
एक एग्जांपल काफी है. कोई भी एक एग्जांपल फॉल्स प्रूव करने के लिए. ओके, ट्रांसिटिव.
Okay. Okay. Transitive. हाँ, so we can give कि 1,3 belongs to R, 3,9 belongs to R, but 1,9 does not belong to R.
Yes, 1,3 belongs to R, 3,9 belongs to R, but 1,9 does not belongs to R. Okay.